Let's do some more integration. I want you to pause the video and try these problems by yourself. Let's look at number 15. 15 says integrate cosine cube theta times sine theta times d theta. Okay, looks like we have to do u sub. So let u is equal to the higher power. Let's see, cosine. Let me see, cosine. I'm just gonna let cosine theta. Then du is gonna be, well, negative sine. Be careful, it's negative sine theta d theta. Okay, but there's no negative here, so I'm going to divide it by negative. So negative du is going to be equal to sine theta d theta. So negative du will cover that portion right there. And then u is going to cover cosine. Let's substitute back in. So integrate u cube du, but then we have negative here. All right. Now all you got to do is just integrate now. So negative, add 1 divided by 4. Then I'm just going to put plus c. That's going to be equal to, let me see, negative, what is that? Cosine fourth theta over 4. Then we got plus c. Okay, so that was number 15. Let's move to number 17 now. So we got EU divided by 1 minus e to the u power, everything to the second power on the denominator, du. Okay, let's let the u is equal to, no, we got u. I don't know, what do you want to use? I don't know, a. What the heck? A is gonna let a is equal to 1 minus e to the u. Okay, now da is gonna be, well, if you take the derivative of negative e to the u, it's just going to be negative e to the u again, du. Alrighty, let me see. So again, there's no negative here. I'm going to bring that negative over here. So negative dA is going to be equal to e to the u du. So negative dA is going to cover this portion right there, including du. Let's substitute back in. So integrate negative in front. Well, we got dA on top over, that's just going to be a square, which is equal to negative integration of a to the negative second power dA, and then just integrate. So that's going to be negative a add 1 minus 1 divided by negative 1 plus c it. And then negative negative will cancel out, so it's going to be 1 over a, which is 1 minus e to the u plus c. So that should do it. That's that was 17, right? 17, yes. Okay, let's move on to number 19 now. All right. So by looking at number 19, we got a lot of letters, but it's against dx. So x is the variable, everything else is constant. So we have a plus bx squared over, I'm just going to change that to 3ax plus bx cubed, and then 1/2 power like that, everything times dx. Alrighty, looks like we're going to let u is equal to that denominator. Let me change the color. So it's 3ax plus bx cubed. Then du is going to be, let me see, that's 3a plus 3bx squared, and then everything times dx. Okay, let me see. But here's a problem. There's no 3 here, so we need to factor 3 out. So du is going to be equal to 3a plus bx squared dx. So I need to divide it by 3 on both sides. So it's 1/3. Du is going to be equal to a plus bx squared, everything times dx. Now, when you look at it, that portion right there, numerator, the whole numerator is going to be 1/3 du. Okay, so I'll do my work on the left-hand side now. So integrate, we've got, that's just going to be 1/3 outside and then du on top, which covers everything on the top there, over, that's just going to be u to the, let me see, 1/2 power, which is 1/3, let me see, that's u to the negative 1/2 power du. Okay, if I make some kind of mistakes, let me know down in the comment below. Okay, so that's just gonna be 1/3. You add 1, it's gonna be 1/2 divided by 1/2. It's just like multiplied by 2 here, and then plus c it. It's just gonna be, let me see, 2/3, and then you times it by, let me see, we'll plug u back in. Okay, let's see, u was 3ax plus bx cubed. That's everything square root, right? I could put square root over here, and then plus c it. Now let's do number 21. Get that out of the way. Bring that up. Okay, 21 says integrate natural log of x, but then the whole thing square over x and then times dx. Alrighty, this one's fairly simple. If we let u is equal to natural log of x, du is going to be 1/x times dx. So that covers what's over here. Oopsie, right there. So it's just going to be integrate u squared. Let me see, not over anything. Okay, let me space that. So integrate u squared, and then du is gonna cover all that. Okay, what is that gonna be? U cubed over 3 plus c. Then plug u back in. Natural log of x, the whole thing cubed. Well, we could put 1/3 in front and then plus c it. So that should do it.